Should you include the price in your Facebook and Instagram ad copy? Absolutely, 100% of the time, yes, you should. Because in my 5-ish years of running Facebook and Instagram ads, I've seen it happen where you don't include the price in the ad copy, so way more people click over who shouldn't have clicked over. And you know why they shouldn't click over? Because if they see the price and they decide it's too much for them, or they read the ad copy and they see the price and they think that the value's not there, then they weren't qualified for the paid thing that you were trying to advertise. So why waste money on the click, right? So what I'm saying here is the ad copy needs to qualify the person who is reading the ad copy. We're not just about trying to like get as many eyeballs to the landing page as possible. No, we want the right people to come on in, which is why if you are selling a low ticket offer, then put the price of the low ticket offer right there in the ad copy just above the link so that somebody knows if your thing is $27 or $37 and they read the ad copy and they understand the value, then they know if it's for them or not. Because otherwise, what will happen is your click-through rates will be really high and then your sales won't be so good and you'll be stuck there wondering, what's happening? My click-through rate is pretty good, like really good, but people aren't buying. Why aren't the ads working? And it's because a lot of people who are unqualified to be looking at the ads are just not there. Now, here's two scenarios that you want to think through specifically. One is for a low ticket offer, and the other one is if you are launching your main program. Launching, i.e., having a webinar or a challenge or a boot camp, and then you're selling your mid-tier program, whatever it is, $597, $997, $3,996.43. Okay, put that price inside of the ad copy, but also make sure that you have accurately expressed the value of the program. Now, does this mean you need like 400 words in the ad copy? No, but you do need to accurately express that you understand what pain points potential customer has. Especially do some research so that you're using the pain points that resonate the most with that person. Then empathize with them because either you've been there or you've helped plenty of folks in their shoes, and then explain what exactly it is that your program does or your offer does and how it can help them, and give them a picture of a near future hope that can be attained through your guidance. And here's a bonus tip for you if you're wondering, well, QUAY.jo, I do want to run ads to a low ticket offer, but I don't know how much to price it at. I would say, and I've actually consulted with an e-commerce Meta and as in Facebook and Instagram specialist, and she told me that over her years of running ads too, there seems to be like a threshold of what people are willing just to spend online, and the average order value somewhere around like the upper 30s in US dollars. And so definitely you're going to hit some resistance if you try to make a low ticket offer more than $57 and expect to run ads directly to it, especially if you're targeting cold traffic. So I would say, in my experience, keep your price for your low ticket offer below like 30, 37, $47 tops. But again, it depends. And as a marketer, I should tell you that you always want to test your prices over time to see maybe a slightly higher price works out. Maybe a slightly lower price works out better. I am an ads manager. I am not your ads manager. Facebook and Instagram ads is always a risk. And so you need to understand that you will probably lose money, because that's what happens when we do the good work of testing ads so that we can get rid or fight through the ones that don't work and find the ones that do work. And if you need more Facebook and Instagram video help, well, guess what? There's like a playlist right up there. Click or tap it and watch the next video.